Hi, a very good afternoon from Subhashish alias Travelwisesr. I am today in Regenta Orkos. It's a beautiful hotel in Calcutta and I'm here for a very special occasion. For all dog lovers, well, this is a place which will give you a lot of happiness if you happen to be here. Regenta Orkos, as you might be knowing, is a part of the Royal Orchid group of hotels, and have had the opportunity to come here many times before, but for different reasons. So let's see what's in offer for all the dog lovers here in the afternoon. It's around 1 o'clock and the event is about to start. So the owners have started coming in, and so have some of the sweetie pies. Okay, I just got introduced to 3 of them. So let me take you, and you too as well can meet them here before they get into action. So the first introductions are these cuties. Tuffy, the smaller one, and what's her name? Tuffy and Whiskey. How could I forget? Whiskey, yes. And that right in front is Victor, always ready to jump. When I went near him, he is almost taller than me, or probably a little bit young, but he's a real sweetheart. He'll jump at you the moment he sees you. So let me take you around a little further, and before he jumps on me again, otherwise he looks cool. And here is the event. So everything is set for more lovely dogs to arrive here. The music is on, and for these balloons, sky is the limit. So I'll be back again, but these are the areas that you need to look at, okay? And you'll understand what are the type of games that probably these little kids are going to be playing today here. And we'll see who are the victors of this event. So as I take you around, it's a night use place for this event. And so we are all waiting for more participants to come in. I think they are now going inside. So they go in, sniffing the place first, getting a feel of where they are today. And as I take you towards the tea counter, and Victor is truly amazing in terms of energy. So we'll be back with Victor after a while, and let me fetch for myself probably a coffee if they have one. And there is another participant who has just walked in, looks ferocious with his face and his first bark as well. Okay, the owners are taking care, and here is the goodies all lined up for the cute puppies and doggies who are going to be here, or either here in a while. I'll be back with you again as I fetch myself a coffee. Back again It's now playtime. So there are 5 of them, 2 new entrants, Tiger and Bagheera, who have joined in. Now they're just playing around here, and all of them are enjoying themselves. And there she comes. There he comes. And these guys, some of them can really jump high. Especially Bagheera and Victor. She is the cutest and the fattest of the lot. She is from the property, and I remember seeing her when she was much younger, or rather he was much younger. He's grown in size now, so we wait as all of them in a playful mood, walking away, and then he gets ready to jump. Victor is the one who's shouting the most, and Bagheera wishes to play all the time, and he's just near the ball always. There he goes. Hope you're enjoying the Sunday afternoon. You're with Travelwisesr. We are in Regenta Orkos Kolkata. And I'm here for this very, very special event and a staycation for the night. So let's see all the names that I've been telling you about. The name labels are here right now. Duffy, he's doing some exercises, getting set. And that's Risky, eating away some leaves. And a view from this side. I'll be back again to join you in a while with more action. I'm back again. So these little puppies have been playing for a while, some of them big ones as well. And now that they are tired, the 2 youngish looking ones are now going to be having their lunch. He's already on the job, and he too as well. They must be feeling really hungry. And we have a new entrant just a few minutes back, and he's Milo, a small little one, and who's scared of all the biggies around. So he has decided to be with his owner, who's like a father. And she is now going around, smelling around, feeling the place in the safety of no one else around. And there he is. That's Milo. They were resting for a while. Now they are getting back to action again. You can't keep these guys quiet for long. As both of them also have their lunch in a while, it's been a pleasure being here for this very, very special occasion with the DJ band playing music. The younger ones about to finish their lunch, while the others wait their turn. So today here we have 6 participants: Tiger, Oreo, Victor, Tuffy, Whiskey and Bagheera. Hope all of you had a great time being here. And so next time we have an event in Regenta Orkos, you too need to be here with your favorite chosen ones. Thanks for being with us. It was a pleasure bringing to you a very, very special event from a very special hotel in Calcutta, Regenta Orkos Kolkata. So next time you're in Calcutta, check out for Regenta Orkos. It's a lovely neighborhood here, lots of greens in South Kolkata. Very close to a mall you might have heard about, Acropolis Mall. It's just a 2-minute drive from there. And the hotel, it has grown in the last 5 years or so. And we'll take you around the hotel later in the evening and in the night. Thanks for being with us. A goodbye from Travelwisesr for now.